You rappers get ignored, me I'm who they checking for.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are back in Southwest Florida, and in this video I'll be talking about must-need features they should add, and yeah, let's get straight into the video. So firstly, we will be starting off with some things they should add. Some of these are coming, but yeah. So firstly, the first thing I think they should add is boats. I do know that's coming somewhere at the end of 2021 or something, probably after the summer, but yeah, boats would be really nice. As you guys see, they did add some new water in Southwest Florida, much more realistic water than the old water they used to have, which is really nice here, as you guys can see. Let's see. Here you go. As you guys see the water here. Also, just letting you guys know, the water now you cannot drive fully into. If you do, your car will get stuck in the water. As you guys see, you could swim in the water now. Old water, you guys cannot swim. You just walk straight to the bottom. Just start walking around. You used to be able to drive your car into the water, but now you are not able to do that. If you do drive into the water, this is what will happen. As you guys see, we are stuck. See if the Tesla Cybertruck could get back up. There we go, we got back up. But if you do drive full speed into water, you'll probably end up like somewhere in the middle there, and you will not be able to get out. Pretty bad there, as you guys see, but I mean, it's worth it because the water park, there's a water park now which you can swim in and stuff. But yeah, boats would be really nice if they do ever add that in, which they probably will. But yeah, boats, that's really good if they do add that in. But yeah, moving on to the next feature, off-roading. We need that in Southwest Florida. If you guys didn't know, the Cybertruck is by far the best truck in my opinion. It's pretty much the quickest truck in the game, I'm pretty sure. And also, this thing just drives over anything. Suspension on this thing is really good. By far the best suspension out of all the trucks, I feel, and just a lot of speed. As you guys see, this thing just goes over anything. Look at this. Could go over this bump pretty easily there, as you guys see. Let's see here. As you guys see, this thing also jumps really well. But yeah, Cybertruck, in my opinion, is by far the best truck. It's just so nice. Look at that smooth suspension. Really good suspension. This thing pretty much could go over most things in game. As you guys see, it goes over so smooth. But yeah, also pretty quick truck. But yeah, if they do ever add off-roading, which they will also probably, because said off-road park is coming. It's in development right now. So yeah, if that ever comes, that would be honestly really nice. Probably take the Cybertruck out, by far the best truck in Southwest Florida, obviously. But yeah, off-roading is a must-need feature in my opinion. Third feature is car customization. If they do ever add that in, probably make car shows and car meets just 10 times better. Everyone would probably have their own custom car. Nobody has the same car by far off looks and stuff. I don't think they're ever gonna add performance upgrades for car customization like that, like other games do. Pretty sure we don't need that. This is a roleplay game. We don't need so much speed, you know. But yeah, I don't think that's coming. I think only like looks. Like you could probably change the rims, change color of the car. That's already something. Add a wing on, maybe front lips and stuff. Rear diffuser change, rear bumper change or something. Side skirts probably, maybe. But yeah, if they do ever add car customization, that would honestly be really nice. I hope they do, but I hope they also don't add so much of like crazy things like just Cybertruck with huge spoiler, huge wing. Doesn't really make sense. So yeah, if they ever do add car customization, people would probably make their cars look crazy. But yeah. So fourth, I think they should add some kind of like delivery job or job where you can drive around. So if you guys have a phone, you can open it up here, and there's a app called Rift. If you click onto it, it says coming soon. So that might be a feature that might come soon, where you could someone like Uber, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, since that might come, I think they should also add a map, where you could click onto the map, probably be somewhere on the bottom corner or top corner, but you click onto the map, and it'll show you everything around. It'll show you the whole map basically, where you could zoom in, zoom out. That would be really nice. You'll probably come along nice with the Rift job, show you where your customers are at, so you could drive there and pick them up. They should also add somewhat like a delivery job, pizza delivery job, or like package delivery job. But yeah, delivery jobs, if they do ever add that in, that would honestly be really cool. Hopefully they do though. Probably be really fun working as that, especially in roleplay servers and stuff. But yeah, moving on to cars. Cars, I think they should add. Based off my opinion, these are the cars I want them to add in. So first car I think they should add, or I want them to add, is the BMW M3. I'm pretty sure they don't have an M3 in game yet. If they ever do add a M3, probably really nice, probably be my daily driver or so. But yeah, if they do add in the M3, really nice car. But yeah, next car I think they should add is the new M4. They do have the old M3. They do add in the new M3 with the new front end and stuff, new rear and stuff. Hopefully they do add in that new BMW M4. A lot of people don't like the big grill. In my opinion, it's not too bad, but you know, it doesn't look good or anything, but not too bad. But yeah, third car I think they should add is a wide body Charger. One of my favorite cars. I really like the wide body Dodge Chargers. They look really nice. So Southwest Florida right now, they actually do have the normal Dodge Charger Hellcat. That thing is pretty fun to drive, but I honestly like the wide body a lot more. I know Greenville has that, but yeah, hopefully they add in a wide body Charger. And yeah, so fifth car I think they should add is the Tesla Model S Plaid. They do have the normal Tesla Model S, which is right here. Actually, bruh, I sold it. Alright. Oops. But yeah, they do have the normal Tesla Model S. That thing is pretty quick. But if they add in the Plaid, they'll probably make that thing way quicker. But yeah, hopefully they do add in the Tesla Model S Plaid. So the sixth car I think they should add, the sixth. Wait, oops, never mind. The Tesla Plaid was the fourth car. Fifth car I think they should add is the Honda Odyssey. So they don't have too many minivans yet. So I think they should add in some kind of minivan. Or do they have minivans? I'm not sure, but should add in a Honda Odyssey or a Toyota Sienna or something like that. Do need some minivans. They don't have any yet. Wait, I'm not sure. Do they have any minivans yet? Let's actually check the dealership real quick over here. Let's run into the dealership real quick. Go. Vans. Alright, never mind. They have the Honda Odyssey. My bad. Let's actually check this thing out. Never mind. So they already have the Honda Odyssey in game. So then I think they should probably add in the Sienna. The Toyota Sienna. Since they already have the Honda Odyssey. Honestly, I've never seen anybody drive this around, honestly. I've actually never seen anybody drive this thing around in Southwest Florida. But yeah, since they already have this, I think they should add in the Toyota Sienna to add some more minivans. They really don't have any minivans in game. So yeah, that is a car they should add. And a SUV I think they should add is the Infiniti QX50. That car is really nice in my opinion. Really like those cars. I hope they add it in. But yeah, it should add in that car. In my opinion, that thing is just a really nice SUV. It would probably look really good in game. But otherwise, that would probably conclude the video, guys. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe. We are on our road to 5,000 subscribers. And yeah, that would probably conclude the video, guys. If you guys all enjoyed, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.